Fully adjustable top to ensure any bike sits level. Magnetic side panels to store bolts and tools. Anodized, CNC, aluminum turnbuckle leveling system. Oversized top and base for stability with any size bike. Large oil drain hole in the center of a durable, non-slip rubber top. Universal fit. Top reviews from the United States. Magnets, how do they work? The magnetic side panels are great. It'll just take me a while to get used to looking for my bolts there. I went searching for my bolts for 20 minutes after having taken something apart the day before and left the bolts on the stand magnets. Lol, love the adjustable angle on this. Much better than my last stand. A little taller than my old stand, this old man needs to work out some to do a better job of getting a 255 pounds bike up on the stand, but I can do it with some struggle. Love it. Happier with this than cheaper Chinesium junk that was available on Amazon at the time.